Today we're going to be checking out the stainless steel wheel well accent trim designed to fit the 2019 and newer Silverado 1500s. If you're looking to add a little bit of shine and style to your truck with a chrome accent, this trim is a great option. It enhances your Silverado's appearance with a polished, finished look around the wheel well, while also helping shield your paint from little minor chips and dings caused by that gravel and other debris kicked up by the tires. This wheel well accent trim is made from high quality stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting durability and resistance to rust and corrosion. The polished finish adds a sleek, premium chrome touch to your truck's fenders, complementing both stock and aftermarket wheels. The trim is precision cut for a seamless fit, and it's designed to naturally follow the contours of your Silverado's wheel well, giving it that factory-like appearance. Crafted from durable 304 stainless steel, this trim is built to withstand the elements and daily driving wear and tear without fading or deteriorating. The polished surface is resistant to rusting, ensuring it maintains its sleek look over time. The trim is also lightweight, yet very strong, designed for a snug and secure fit without adding any unnecessary bulk to your truck's exterior. As far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around that mid $300 price point, which is a reasonable price point for adding a high quality stainless steel accent that's going to boost the aesthetics of your truck. Installation on this trim set couldn't be more straightforward, so we're giving this a simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in about 30 minutes or less of your time. This trim set is going to come with some pre-installed adhesive backing for an easy peel and stick application. So no drilling or any complicated modifications are going to be required. Simply clean off that surface really well, align the trim, and press it firmly into place for a secure bond. Now, let's throw it out to the shop and see exactly how this goes on with a detailed walkthrough from one of our AmericanTrucks professional installers.
All right, today we're going to be installing some wheel well accent trim on our Silverado. So let's get started. All right, so we're gonna start in the front here. The first thing you wanna do is make sure that your paint is nice and clean. Take a cleaner and a microfiber, wipe that off. Then we're gonna start on our front, on our bottom here. Now you will notice that there is a slanted edge. That's just gonna follow the body line here for where it separates for the front piece for the front bumper. So we have our double-side backing on our double-side tape. Backing on our double-side tape. I have that peeled up a little bit. We're just gonna put this flush against our mud flap here. And we're just gonna basically go by feel. We're just gonna have our fingers just rub against the inside here and just follow up. And just peel the backing off, working your way up. Just continue along until you get to that front section here. Make sure that lines up nicely. And you can go back and just push that on all the way across. And we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing with the front piece. We're gonna get this peeled back. On this one, we're gonna butt it up against that back piece. Just make sure it lines up. And then peel and work your way down the front of the bumper. Push it all the way on. Now we can move to the back. So now we're gonna come to the back and do the same thing. We're gonna start on our mud flap here. So line everything up. Now this is a bigger piece, so it's just a little bit more awkward. But just take your time and work your way around. If you need to, just don't push down that hard so you can peel it up and adjust. Get that all the way down, press it on all the way. Go ahead, grab your cleaning spray and a rag, wipe off any fingerprints, and you go ahead and repeat the same steps on the other side of the truck. And that wraps up our install of our wheel well accent trim, stainless steel for our 2019 and newer Silverado 1500. And remember, for everything Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.